still there.
What?
Jess, he's still there. I can't believe he's still there.
Just ignore him.
Yeah. You know, this is a dance marathon. You're not supposed to come and sit and watch. You're supposed to dance. He's just trying to bug me, sitting there right in front of me, staring. Jerk. I'm bored.
Okay.
There they go again. God, I swear, why can't they just get a room? Or forget a room, get a park bench, or a doorway, or even a strategically placed telephone pole would probably suffice. I mean, girls like Shane, what is it with them? Don't they see what they look like? I know they have mirrors.
Hey, you talking about me?
No.
I heard you mention Shane.
Shane isn't you.
Shane concerns me.
Shane concerns me too, and all women for that matter.
You got a problem here?
Nope. Just a little sick of seeing the two of you sitting there. If you're not going to participate, then why don't you just leave?
That works for me. Let's go.
No.
Why not?
Because I'm not ready to go.
Oh, really?
Yes, really. I'm gonna sit here as long as I like, and I'm gonna do whatever I like, and if you don't like it, then just ignore me and pay attention to your boyfriend.
Sorry, she can't. I'm not her boyfriend anymore.
What?
You know, I tried to ignore this. I really did. But I don't know what the hell I was thinking.
What are you talking about?
You don't want to be with me, Rory.
Yes, I do.
Oh, please. You've been into him since he got to town, and I spent weeks, months actually, trying to convince myself that it wasn't true, that everything was fine between us. But now I know that I was an idiot. You're into him, and he's into you, and Shane, who, by the way, should be listening to this because it's so damn obvious.
What's obvious? What did I do?
Everyone could see, Rory. Everyone. And I'm tired, but I'm over it. So go ahead. Go. Be together. There's nothing standing in your way now, because I'm out.
I don't see a yellow card. I don't see a yellow card. Excuse me, young lady whose name I don't remember right now. No one listens to me.
I know, honey.